Welcome back to the next stage of the Tanzania SendQuest. Before we launch into this epic climb, let's quickly recap a few things. After day 1 of racing, Sid and Joe are sitting in front of Mackie and I by 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Twist! For this, we did spouse swap, where Sid and Joe are going to be teaming up and Mackie and I will be literally hitched to each other's wagons.
Spoiler alert!
I am not a pro cyclist. I am not sure how many of you humans have had a chance to ride alongside true pro racers. Their power and speed is a little unfathomable. And just because I'm not a pro cyclist doesn't mean I'm exactly a slouch in the saddle. I'm actually really fucking incredible. So, in order to make a non-pro-pro partnership work, we added Billy. With Billy, it will help equalize our powers to be similar to Joe and Sid's. Where tethering is really going to play into our favor is going to be when the trails are flat or there's a long, non-technical climb. Tethering allowed us to do a fun and challenging experience together, with some fun competition thrown in. And just because I'm tethered, it doesn't make me lazy. It should be known that tethering is tough, physically and psychologically. I am not a pro. There is no way I would be able to hang without the tether. However, I am still working my ass off while being tethered, and the efforts and numbers put forth in this stage speak volumes. So without further ado, let's get after stage 1, where we're going to amass 27 miles and 7,200 feet of climbing, getting us to a high point well above 12,000 feet. Because this is the assault on Kilimanjaro, aka a long, non-technical climb with an epic finish. And I'm your host, Lauda, aka Low.
Go through a bit of the race, what you're going to be doing. I'll talk about the route first. You follow the same tracks out that you did today, but you're not going to turn left into the Masawanga Trail. You're going to continue going straight. Eventually, around the 9K mark, you will hit a right-hand turn to go to Londerosi Gate. That is Londerosi Gate of Kilimanjaro National Park. From there, it's going to turn steeper. The real climbing is going to start at the gate, and it's going to go until Morum.
So now it gets steep? Oh god.
So when you get to Morum Barrier, there will be another feed zone and checkpoint. That will also eventually be your finish line. The highest point of your race is what we call Cathedral Junction. At Cathedral Junction, on your way there, you're going to have a very tough kilometer. Many of you are going to carry bikes. When you get to Morum, that's about the 47-kilometer mark. We will have there tents for you to be inside if it's cold. We'll have blankets. We'll have soup, full meals. We're talking like soup and pasta, fried chicken. We're going to have a great food there for you. Difficulty rating, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. That is for elevation, climbing, portage, and cold.
We got a new strategy for the cocaine smuggling. So much powder in that. How many calories is that?
A little over 800.
For racing, my go-to is Tailwind. I love it. However, I will say that some mistakes were made. It should be noted that 1, you must train your body for this kind of consumption. 800 calories is no joke. 2, pack consumption is tough because you don't know how much you have consumed.
Mackie, guess who drank all the diabetes?
Good job.
And 3, maybe don't go with a caffeinated flavor if you've recently given up caffeine.
All right, Teamy, how you doing?
Except for I popped some stitches. Whoops. These are custom shortened.
Custom
they
shortened.
Were beyond my knees. And the tailor, who, thank you very much, they didn't use stretchy thread. So it's not. So I was like, oh, I'll just pop a thread. And now it's going to be a will it, won't it completely come undone.
How you feeling?
It's okay. I'm just like eating breakfast at 5 o'clock in the morning, which feels like 10 o'clock at night. I'm pleased with my decision to neutralize our start. I don't know if everyone else is, but can you imagine?
You should probably explain what you're talking about.
just decided since we're gonna be riding uphill for 3 hours, we might as well have our warm up be the first 20 minutes of that.
Fair.
We accepted your terms.
Yeah, we accepted the terms.
But that meant negotiating a truce with the other team, and they accepted the terms.
Yeah.
So.
How you doing?
I'm stressed.
Yeah. Last minute bike pumping up and
Always run out of time.
Starting a quick review and race briefing at the finish line now. Race start is 4 minutes and a half.
Oh shit!
all right, 4.5 minutes to race start. I should probably put on my helmet and pack and things like that. Wish us luck. It's going to be fun, I hope. And hopefully we don't get poured on.
Stage 1 of the K2N. I'm your host, Lauda, aka Lo. Sid, is Mackie pulling a Mackie right now? Fuck, this is stressful. Never have I ever rolled out the front.
I just wanted to, you know, keep things
Holy
exciting.
shit! Pulling a Mackie. I was like, I swear to God, if he's taking a shit right now. But also, I wasn't worried.
I forgot my gloves.
Ah. Little. Oh, everybody's starting real hot.
I like this method because then we'll get to catch people later.
Yeah, I'm fine with it. Yep. About 15 seconds until the truce is over.
You just give me the word.
2, 1, that's 20.
That's 20. Okay. Warm up over. Everybody.
That's 20. Ah, we're being blocked. Sabotage. The ass and the billy have returned. Welcome. Welcome to the show. This is quite the ice out tactic.
About 4 minutes behind Jeff. About 4 minutes behind Jeff.
Coming in on feed zone 1, about 9 kn. Woo woo! Woo woo! No Pringles for you, Lo. You haven't fucking earned it.
Now we haven't even climbed 2,000 feet. No Pringles yet.
Okay, so it's not me.
Not you.
It's the lack of meters climbed and kilometers pedaled. It's lovely. It's weird, my view never. So now it gets steep.
Now get steep.
Oh God, Jesus. Matt can take the wheel.
Hold my beer. Hold my scratch high card.
Yeah, and clear.
Yeah.
All right, we are 2,800 feet in. Even if you have a Mackie, road climbs still hurt.
Hold up, wait a minute. You're getting your ass towed up a hill. How can this be tiring? Let me break it down for you with some numbers. Going into this race, my FTP was at 205, putting me at 3.15 watts per kilo. On this climb, I earned an all-time 2-hour power PR of 174 watts. This means for 2 hours, I held and maintained 85% of my FTP. So yeah, I was working hard, even with a Mackie. In fact, I would say because of a Mackie, I pushed harder.
Been really good at the consumption of calories. Not much to report. We've seen porcupine quill, elephant shit, and a baboon. Fucking shit. We're at 2:15. I hurt. Oh, come on. Come on. Don't give up, don't give up. Fuck. My leggies. Shit.
You need anything?
No.
All right.
You?
Yes.
Down, guys.
Good. Whoa, let's go.
We're gonna get chastised on the internet for that one.
All we have to do is get back to this point and we're done.
Seems so much easier said than done.
Wow. Check out Chili.
Thank you, bike gods. Holy shit. Mackie,
Oh, thank you.
holy shit. That was incredible. You were just ditching it, weren't you?
Yeah.
I've got a teeny bit if you've got a teeny bit.
All right.
I really thought I was gassed when I got to the top of that climb. This was a nice little reprieve, feeling rejuvenated as much as one can rejuvenate from a 5,000 foot, 2.5 hour climb. Yee ha. Found the yee from a ha. From a ha from a yee. Yee yee. What is this life? All this suffering, and this is what you get to see. 10 out of 10 and 14 out of 10 recommend. Suffer is well worth it. I've been birthed. Not slowing down. Yep. Yep. Oh wait, little slack. Okay.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah.
To have like a brief second of not fighting.
Yeah, agreed. And my lady balls out of my seat. Wow. Woo! There's that bitey cold.
Wow, this is cool.
Wow. Lion King Stampede is in my ears. Come here. You might want to go.
No, we're good. Yellow, yellow, nice.
What's that? Oh my god.
So epic, dude! So epic! You should look behind you for a second. So cool.
Sorry, my little baby femurs.
You got it. You are nothing to apologize for. Yeah. It looked like this next section is rideable with dabbing based on what Sid and Joe did.
It's gonna scare the shit out of some people. To be honest, this is scaring the shit out of me a little. Fuckity fuck.
Nice one, nice. Yeah. good? One thing I try to think about with hiking for everybody watching is the longer steps you take, the faster you go. Well, it turns out even if you're used to it, not used to it, but even if you've been above 12,000 before, it's still hard. 12,000 feet is 12,000 feet. Man, it's a good thing Dane's been having me do some box jumps.
Beast mode unlocked. Well, fucking Sherpa. 15 out of 10 recommend. Mackie, guess who drank all the diabetes?
Good job.
All right, here it comes. Remember how I said I had over 800 calories of caffeinated nutrition in my pack, and training one's gut and pacing consumption is absolutely imperative? Let's just say mistake.
Did I just shit my pants on Kilimanjaro? Almost. I almost certainly did. Oof. Trying to avoid one and hit two. This is hard. Wow. Just zipping through. This is incredible. I feel really bad. Sort of feel weakest linked to Mackie. I just feel like we had it and I fucked us. No, it's not my fault, but it really sucks feeling like you let a teammate down. But I literally gave it everything. I don't know what else I could have done. I'm pretty sure Mackie doesn't feel like I anchored or let him down. And I truly know I gave it everything. Oh, I'm just talking in circles.
GPS says heat reminder.
Yep.
Oh, hey, a pack.
Fucking fuck. Get your shit together. Oh my fucking fuck.
Killing it, Lo. Got this. It's been a very, very hard 4 hours so far. Got a little bit more.
Yep.
And one more. And then watch the birthday.
Yep. Good job, Lo. Good job, Mackie. Oh, don't go in there. Don't go you in there. It's fine.
Nice. A little left.
Left.
Awkward.
Oh boy. Got it.
Little step up.
Whoa! Stuck.
Yeah, sorry.
My shin hit the
Oh, yeah.
branch. I had it, and then there was a branch I found.
Shin okay?
Yep. Nothing hurts worse than my pride right now.
All right, we're about to pop out back onto that road. All right, left turn. All right, I think maybe let's disconnect. Got it.
Yep, hit it.
Yeah. Heck yeah, dude. You were flying. That was awesome. Damn, you were moving.
We probably should now.
That was awesome. That was so awesome. That was really, really, really amazing. Because that was fucking hard. Because let's see, we just rode for 4 hours and.
I feel shitty here for you.
Why? That's ridiculous. That is 100% not what you should be feeling. That was so awesome.
Did you say that again on the camera? Is this a diarrhea excuse or is this real?
I mean, I got my bibs down, but I was like, Maggie, I need a hug. I got my bibs down. I shit myself.
Oh man. I'm sorry I didn't have any shit tickets for you.
What?
I know,
You
dude.
diarrheaed up there?
I shit my pants on Kilimanjaro.
Good thing we brought spare bibs.
Day 2, stage 1. Highlights?
I think definitely that just insane view of Kilimanjaro that we got when we were on the kind of like flat part, like Shira Plateau. It was beautiful. And then just some points on that single track, I was just like, I cannot believe we are here.
Low?
I will agree with that. I think a couple of times I was quoting like Animal Planet or Nat Geographic or something. I'm like, holy smokes. We're here, we're doing this, and this is like things, this is a page out of Nat Geo. I would just like to thank the bike gods for giving us a picturesque, clear view of Kili.
Yeah, it was gorgeous. It was a big mountain.
My head kind of exploded when we were biking up that last bit of section. I looked over and we were above the cloud line. That blew my mind.
Yeah.
Low lights? I mean, we know low.
Where shall we start?
After we stopped at the aid station, I had a good 15 minutes of feeling real bad. But I mean, honestly, to only have 15 minutes of feeling real bad on a day like that, like, I'm not complaining. I was definitely thinking, oh, am I gonna feel like this for the entire rest of the race? Am I gonna poop my pants?
Speaking of.
So before we get to that, it was incredibly hard. But I don't think there was ever a moment for me that I was like, I can't do this, which felt really, really powerful. What I'm about to say, like, isn't warranted from anything, and it's very irrational. I felt that I was letting my teammate down, which is nuts. So that honestly was just kind of a low point, but I don't know that I could have done anything different. But I think that's what makes racing as a team really special and just so different, is because, you know, you're not out there just suffering for yourself. Like, you're out there suffering for somebody else, and you know that they're not giving up, and so like you don't want to give up. But there was just a teeny tiny part of me that was irrationally thinking that I let my buddy down.
Speaking from experience of having raced with Mackie, he's just very fast.
Yeah.
And so it feels like that for sure. I don't think you need to feel that way at all.
To circle back to the low moment, the real low moment, LO moment, was we were hiking up to the high point of the trail, and I nearly shit my pants on Kilimanjaro. I nearly shit my pants on Kilimanjaro. Luckily, I was able to abort mission, declip, unpants, and successfully did not shit my pants. But did I have a poop with a view? Yes. Yes, I did. I really truly think it is imperative to practice eating on the bike, practice dumpster fueling with sugar water and high carb stuff, because I mean, my gut just gave out. I'm not used to doing 900 calories of fuel in sugar form, and my body just started repelling that. And I don't think it's a brand situation, it's just I did not train my gut to take on that many calories. Word to the wise, train your gut for that kind of intake, and you will not shit your pants on Kilimanjaro.
The worst places to shit your pants.
Well, there you have it. We just closed out day 2 of the Tanzania SendQuest. We had fun. We had a competition. And above all, we had a great poop story. Well, we know the SendQuest doesn't end here, so join me again soon for a truly wild adventure. Until then, a huge thank you for your continued support, and keep training your gut so you can do epic shit and not have one on top of Kilimanjaro.